Yo, yo, yo. What's up, guys? Today we're playing jailbreak. We're gonna try to get a bunch of money. Right now, I don't have the best of monies, but I still have $23,000. But I'm gonna try to play this with my cousin over here. He keeps doing this. I'm gonna go ahead and put shift lock on. Never mind, we can't do that. My cousin theory is so confused. We're gonna head to the sewers to get out, because you already know that's my favorite way to get out. Yep, I'm the prisoner. Okay, come on, he's right there. He's following me. Here, how about you press shift to go faster? Oh, never mind, he's on phone, so we can't really do that. But, oh yeah, he's doing it, right? Let's go, we escaped already. That means we have to get the car. Then I'm gonna get my Lambo. No, I drive, kid. Okay, then you ain't getting in my Lamborghini then. He said he don't want to get in my Lamborghini. Get in. I know, I'm gonna go get my Lamborghini. Get in. Follow me. Oh shoot, this is loud. He's such a noob. Better go rob this, you already know. Bad CC, you better get robbed. I'm robbing you, Bad CC. Bad CC, you dumb. The Cybertruck? Yeah, my cousin has a Cybertruck. And I have the Lambo. Which one's better? Tell me in the comments. The Cybertruck? He's asking how to spawn it. He's such a noob. Oh, what the heck happened, my guys? I don't want that. I'm stuck in here. I'm stuck in here. With you. Let me out, you. We need to go rob banks with my Lambo. Fine, let me out. Let me out. Oh yeah, he owns a Tesla. Oh, he does. Yeah, he owns the Cybertruck. No, not the Cybertruck, the Tesla Model 3 or something. He shoulda followed me, cause then he coulda got on my Lambo. He doesn't believe me though. Guys, he doesn't know how to play the game. Sorry if you see that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go pick him up, cause he doesn't know how to spawn it. Get in. Zoom, zoom. Oh, I'm kind of a bad driver, you already know. But at least I got that Lambo. Hey, you wanna see something cool? Ooh, watch this. Zoom, zoom, I'm flying. Oh, we flipped again. Yep, we're gonna go rob a place. That's where we're going. I already have a gun. We need a key card. Where you going? We can't rob it. We don't have a key card. You just opened it. How'd you open it? We need a key card for that. My God, my G. Oh, the train, the train. Get in. Oh, come on, get in. Come on, we got that. Come on, we gotta go fast to the train. Hopefully it didn't already pass here. Let's see. Is it over there? Oh no, it's right there. No, it's not. I thought I saw it. Did I already leave? I think I'd already left. Shoot. Okay. We're gonna wait for the museum or like the jewelry store to open. But we can try to go rob the little places first. Like we can try to go rob the gas station or something. Let's go to the drawers. Ooh. Oof. How'd that happen? Come on, get up. Get up. Freak you. I'm gonna flip it. I forgot how to flip it. Is it C? Is it R? Nope. I don't want no radio. Shoot. Did he just leave me? He just left me. That's what I could do. I'm gonna try to stay like this and try to get myself back up. Let's see. How do I do this? F? No. I completely forgot how to play this. Why am I looking up? There we go. That's good. That's better. Or at least I got a gun. So when he comes next to me again, I'm gonna shoot him. He betrayed me. He's gonna get mad and watch. The boss. So let's try to go find either the drawer store or there's the bank, but I'm trying to find a garage so I can get my Tesla, well, not my Tesla, my Lambo back. Control tower, dang. Wow. Oh, I can't even get in. I'm so noob. Can we even rob a place? What is this? Hold up. Is this new? I'm an alien. I'm an alien. Is it open? I don't think it's open. It's an army helicopter, my guy. Can I just walk in? Why does it look like the doors are open? Closed. I just wish I had that. The Bugatti so badly. It's so fast. I actually wish I had the Volbike, my guys. The Volbike is even faster. I'm lonely. Where is he? He went somewhere. Actually, I'm going over here to the bank so I can get my car back. And oh, I'm gonna open these safes over here too. I have to buy them? I thought I could open them. Open safes. Oh, here we go. Open. So what I get, my guys? Oh, jeez. Ooh, yes, no! I got the stupid yellow. Green, okay. I'm gonna get cash too. Ooh, that's nice. Come on, get something good. Give me like the paint or something. I got the same thing twice. Keep doing the same things and the same things and the same things. Come on, this is the third time I got in a row. Huh. Guys, I'm actually gonna spend like all my money on these safes right now. Watch this. Buy safes. Look, watch this. Boom, buy. I just bought it. I'm gonna buy another one actually. Buy. I'm gonna open them. Come on, get a legendary. Ooh, I got a donut. That's so cool. Oh, let's go. I got whatever that was. That looks cool though. There's my Lambo. Let's get it. Now I'm trying to find a garage so I can customize it. I think one's this way, right? I'm kind of newbie, but yes, there's one this way. I have no idea where my cousin is. He's just doing something by himself. Oh, oh shoot. Oh no, the cargo helicopter thing. Plane, I meant. I'm so newbie. Okay, come on, customize it. Oh, come on, yes. Okay, I'm gonna try to do customize the body color. No, go back to it. I wonder how you did it. Texture. No, I don't want no pink texture. Tire, color wheel, light brakes, engine. Ooh, how do I get level 2? Oh shoot, I should save my money up and buy like this one. Oof. Oh, wow. Noise. Try to get out. It's not letting us out. There we go. We might try to end the video here, cause I have no idea where he is. And I'm just somewhere random. I'm just trying to, yeah. I'm trying to find him, but he's just somewhere else. I'm trying to go super speed so I can find him. Okay, here we go. Going to go find him. Please don't crash, cause then no, no, no! Oh shoot. Okay, well, I'm just gonna end the video here. Bye. Peace out.